I'll show you how to upgrade an older Audi Q7. This is the original central control. Here are the disassembly tools we'll be using. We removed the original car's air vents. Then, disconnect all the plugs at the back of the air vents. Next, we remove the two buttons on the silver panel. Here we loosen the 5 screws securing the silver panel. 2 of the screws are located under the steering panel. Then, we took out the entire dashboard. Similarly, we disconnect all the plugs at the back of it. We took out the original main unit, but don't disassemble it yet. We need to start the engine as the 2 clips for the air conditioning panels are below the main unit. Now we start the engine and shift to neutral. Disconnect the plugs at the back. Just remove this yellow one. Now we can disconnect all the plugs at the back of the main unit. We took down the original screen from the silver panel. Now, let's start the wiring. We'll pass the new power cable from the position of the main unit. Bring the white end out from the dashboard position. Let's start connecting the wires. Connect this end of the new power fan to the air conditioning plug, the other end to the air conditioning button panel. Put this panel back. Then we start reconnecting the original main unit. We reinsert the original lighting and other plugs back. We now connect this end of the new power line to the original Carplay. Plug the other end into the original main unit. Then, reinstall it. We secured the new screen space and hardware bracket to the silver frame in this manner. This was the previous silver button plug from the frame. We now take it down and plug it into the back of the base. Reconnect this dashboard power plug. Then mount the entire silver frame and secure it. Reinstall the original panel buttons for decoration. We connect the new screen's power plugs and LEDs at the back. Then mount it. Reconnect the 2 plugs at the back of the air vent. Then mount it. This is what it looks like after installation. Take a look. You can watch local or online videos. You can also listen to local or online music. Adjust the sound tone and speaker volume to your liking. Supports digital dashboards. Use map navigation to go anywhere. You can also download apps. Supports door opening and closing reminders. Make Bluetooth calls through the screen. Supports wireless CarPlay for mobile phones. Also use voice assistant here. Make calls. Listen to music. Use map navigation. Many features available. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact us with any questions.